Ninjas made themselves invisible, using real science. Imagine disappearing by mastering shadows, angles, and precise camouflage. For centuries, these covert warriors refined ancient techniques, turning everyday darkness into a tool of deception. They strategically positioned near shadowed corners, blending seamlessly with their environment by matching clothing and using perfect angles. This wasn't magic, it was a calculated art of light, shadow, and geometry. While Hollywood shows fantastical spells, true ninjas relied on science and stealth to vanish from sight. Their secret lay in turning bodies into flat silhouettes, fooling the eye with natural camouflage. Incredible, isn't it? A 600-year-old technique that still intrigues and inspires. This art defies myth and celebrates human ingenuity. Embrace ancient marvels. Follow at Factimized for more hidden truths. And prepare for your next mind-blowing discovery.